cancer, so male, female, the picture is a little bit different. Okay, like what sir already mentioned about the most common, like the head and neck cancer, the lung cancer, more common in the male, and in female, the mainly 30% cancer is the breast cancer. 30%. Can you imagine? 30% is too much. 1/3 portion. This is the common site which already had been. So basically to show that it can affect the skin, muscle, bone, and any organ, especially the inside organ as well. So like fat, bone, so everything can be affected by cancer. So cancer is a general disease. So what happened? Normally what happened? One of the cell get mutated. So normally division like the normal division like it become one cell, two cell, and one of the cell get corrupted. In your language you say the file get corrupted. Virus happened. Okay. In same way in body, one of the cell is get damaged by factor. What Dr. Mani said describe the factor, external factors, dietary factor. What are the factors? And that trigger happen at that level, and cells get changed, converted to a membrane, or maybe and then conversion happened. And this conversion becomes a multiple form of tumor. So it's not a one-day procedure. When you say patient, कि आपको लंब कब से है tumor, they always say 15 days से. 15 days, yes, 20 days is a time of detection, but it started early, way back. To have a one tumor cancer, it takes 6 months time. 6 months. Pretty long. When they come with breast tumor, this type tumor, it's already more than years. So more the duration matters because it is invading your body. So main thing would be of early detection. That's more important. Really, nobody is busy. It's about the priorities. What priority we had. Already sir had discussed a lot about tobacco. If you see this pattern, tobacco in every form of breast cancer. If you go to South Bombay, St. Xavier College, I go to Bombay every day. I stop at C Plaza Metro. I saw young girls, teenagers, 13, 14, in a group of 5, 6 and smoking. If you see, you feel very shame about that. 13, 14 years of young age started smoking. One, those who smoke, they also affected. The other, those surrounded is passive smoking. You know, why the reason of infertility is more common. No, they will not get issue. Or say it may cause cancer, but passive smoking has a lot of problem in the fertility as well. They don't realize. So that's the main issue. If you say one cigarette, see, we name the carcinogen and you will get it. Around 35 carcinogen. So if somebody smoker can see this, they can 35 is this thing. Every bit can damage any part of the body. So this is more important. We know we don't realize. So everything is carcinogenic. This already tobacco and smokes already explained. See the normal how to correct and the tobacco would be. Most of the people, including smoker, they come to us. Say 35 years I'm smoking, nothing happened. Boss, nothing happened. No, it's happening. See, but it depends. So always it's going to attack, it's going to affect. It's a matter of time frame, a days to years. It depends on individual and the site of the location as well. See, what sir said, keeping the tobacco in that position, and they don't realize small something happening. See this thing happening inside, but sometimes it's too busy to find it out. Unless it is troublesome, you don't come. Again, these are the area like gray area where generally you don't see inside what's happening, small thing. Unless it becomes too big, they won't come to us. Tongue cancer, very common cancer, very common. Somebody has sharp tooth, having this thing, floor of mouth. So these are the routine areas. So apart from this external factor, there are certain internal factors like viral. We know certain viruses they are known for. So certain viruses there are the like liver cancer, they are associated. They are not a primary. Everyone knows about CS cervix. You know, today the vaccine also came. It's having vaccine. Most people say, sir, can I take the vaccine because it's against the cancer? It's not against the cancer. Because to cause cervix, there is a virus called as human papillomavirus, HPV. And in 90% of the cases, this virus is responsible to get the mutant chain. So this vaccine will prevent against the infection of the virus, not the cell cancer. So these are the certain things we need to be know about. Everyone knows about the external factors, the explosion, nuclear, everything. So these are another external factors. So already sir had mentioned the regular exercise, good habit, healthy food, meditation, Plenty of fluid. Fluid is very important. We don't take, if you remember, how many of us take 3 to 4 liters of fluid every day? We usually do. When you're thirsty, then you take. Dehydration is a common sight. I had experience, stress is a background disease as well. You may recently come to people, stress, because this will keep it changing. If you see a depressive personality versus a who like the happy people, I think that the cancer is more common in those depressed people. Maybe because of internal system. Okay, this is coming now in the studies. Everyone knows about, nobody practices. I do as well. So we can prevent it by modification, environment protection, and most important is screening the family. It's not a preventable, but we know certain, especially about the breast cancer. Everyone knows about Angelina Jolie. If I ask, most of you know Angelina Jolie. It's like the genetic cancer. When it comes to like a family, breast cancer, yes, it's too very important. We'll come to the next slide. So this is about general sense, what's ahead, but it's a practical thing, how it will fit in the mind. The few things, the fact of the breast cancer is about what is lifetime risk. It's in the US, 1 in 8 women, sorry, already had said. So out of 8 women, 1 will have the breast cancer in lifetime. In UK, but let's consider India only. Okay. In India, it constitutes 30%. So out of 130 people will have the breast cancer. And it's in rural and urban is different, the lifestyle. In Bombay, metros, 1 in 30 women compared to the rural area because of the lifestyle, you know. These are the major cities, like this is Bombay, it was 8, 9 and 10. If you see the incidence, every year is 29%, this is 28%, this is 31%. So every year in Bombay, if you get the data, the breast cancer is going up. If I see, maybe in this next 10 years, by 25, will it be costing 50%? It's too much. We are doing nothing. It's just happening. The trends are going up. We know 10 years back as well, and today as well. But are we acting on that? So we need to act on that by building prevention. Prevent the preventable and cure the curable. And this happens only by awareness and treatment. But the first step would be awareness. If you have to get this stage come down, the only prevention, what these people say, I go to different hospitals, and the major thing would be to educate you. Now, this 50-60% people have educated. They go talk to the families, get the screening done, whatever necessary, and get at early stages. Everyone knows who she is. Okay. The early age of breast cancer would be why the female are afraid to come to the hospital, because if she found the breast lump, she said, "Oh, my breast need to be removed," and then afraid. So this was called a radicomastectomy till the era of the Angelina Jolie. Doesn't she have the breast cancer? No, she doesn't have breast cancer. She had only a family history of breast cancer, and she was found to have a BRCA gene positive. You know BRCA, you heard about that? It's BRCA1 and BRCA2. It's gene in the blood, which is responsible to have a breast cancer. And this strong family history. So what she did a complete breast, both the breast and whole, with reconstruction, and recently she had removed the body as well, just to prevent the cancer. She doesn't have cancer. This is prevention. So the education from that phase to have a disease, and today, what we after we don't get standard treatment to here as well. So basic thing, we need to give at least basic step to our patient as well, standard treatment. But the awareness happen at this place to the prevention, and we follow up to 50 years. So keeping this knowledge at this channel, and we can proceed. Why female? No, even male too high responsible. 1% male to have breast cancer as well. We did a lot of male cancer, breast cancer as well. The utilization is the same. So few factors are very important. Among them, the female, the gender we cannot change why it's happened. The family is very, very important. If you know somebody in the family had breast cancer, say for example a mummy or her mother, 2 or more member family, one should go for genetic screening. At least found, am I responsible to have a breast cancer? Am I that gene is positive? That courtesy we need to have. Our 2-3 members in the family is there. We need to find it out whether our family is carrying the gene or not. And we do have a lot of tests as well. We have seen so many patients, we get the BRCA testing done as well. Second thing, childbirth we already discussed. Today we have a lady who is in target ready. Okay, achieve target, RH late, and the hormone express late. So all these factors is a hormone disease. More prolonged the hormone stays, more chances that you have the imbalance in the hormones and the breast cancer. Again, the dietary factor we had already discussed. Obesity is one of the important factors. Obese female to have breast cancer 200 times more than a normal woman. So obesity is very, very important. Few symptoms, although I'm happy to have few the female participants as well, but very good have to see as well. If you notice this symptom, say any lump in the breast, do not ignore. A lump in the breast or lump in armpit could be a part of breast cancer. Just don't ignore. Change in the size of breast. Some people do come with symptoms. Oh doctor, my breast recently changed size. So don't ignore. Find out this could be one of the symptoms. Nipple discharge. Every female get hormonal response and nipple discharge like green, black, yellow. It's a normal hormone. But if somebody get the black nipple, the bloody nipple discharge, it's one of the signs of cancer. So don't ignore it. Nipple inversion. So these are the few factors one female need to be understood if they notice something. What already I have mentioned, these are the normal nipple discharge one can have. But if somebody notice the bloods in nipple discharge, need to be concerned. Sometimes why this is important to male as well, their wives and their relatives, they may not show to doctor, but they can tell husband, I'm getting this type of nipple discharge. So one should aware, oh, is a sign of suspicion or not. So family need to be educated. Very easy tool, mammography, because most of the female get afraid because of pain. It's very painful, it's hurt for someone, and doesn't go. Now we have screening mammography van. You don't have to go. Just when you find the community, the van goes to your place and get the mammography. That's the bestest option what we can have. This is happening only in Western countries. And today we have, but still people are not taking advantage. At least those who can't go should have. Mammography will tell us, you know what, at least will tell us whether this lump is benign or non-cancerous, or is benign or cancerous. So it's like a clear sky mammography. It can show how the scar is, how the mammography is. So see, this is cancer, you can find like liquid mass. So this is small lesion, you can find it out. So advantage of mammography is there are certain things which cannot be palpated with the hand. Okay, so that things can be easily picked up. At least years ahead, it becomes palpable. We can easily pick up the mammography. One more thing about surgical aspect. The female were afraid if I diagnosed to have breast cancer, my breast will remove. So no, the things are completely changed. Now, most of the female, those who want a breast saving surgery, we easily can do it. Earlier, the people were not trained, the techniques were not available. That's why the thing was to remove the whole breast. But it is a big impact on society and her as well. But this was the earlier option. Today, we can do a breast saving surgery, same equal result. With the most important thing, patient asks, doctor, I will live the same if I do a breast saving surgery versus whole remove. The myth was, they say, if you remove the whole breast, you will live longer. Recurrence nahi aayega. It's not that. It's equally safe. This lady had breast cancer. Can we find it out? And everything same. The results and the survival as well. On top of that, we had come to the term called oncoplastic surgery. Means, can you find out which breast is operated on breast cancer? Can you find out? Yes, here we can make a little rating. These are the few cases done in Shushit hospital only. Here only. This girl is 23 years old, young girl. They don't want to be scarred to be seen. You know, whole life is it. So these type of results, this girl had breast cancer here, baby from here, maybe 6 months down the line. Can you see? So that's an impact. If you can give this type of result, I think nobody will be afraid to come. So that treatment is available. Again, somebody got reconstruction, we do implant reconstruction. This lady had flat chest, we make the breast by putting implant. So these are the advanced techniques. It's not for everyone, but it's an individual case-to-case discussion. What she wants, what, you know, there are certain social factors as well. We need to discuss in individual. So, genetic testing, yes, there is a gene called as BRCA1, BRCA2. There is the family. If it is positive, there are 10% chances that the it is the family, and around 10 to 15% cases we will found. But not necessarily that every BRCA gene will convert to breast cancer, but we will find it out. So last few things. So how to find it out? The most important thing, you know mammography, you know everything background, but the basic thing would be a breast examination. By putting the hand on breast, it doesn't mean that you suffer a good examination. It takes 2 minutes of your life to have good examination. 2 minutes, once a month. So And most of the female, even if you ask doctor,